Welcome back everybody. I'm Kevin, this is KLS, and today we're doing another reaction, another football reaction, and we're doing another Jamaican. Last time I did Ryan Sterling. Today I will be doing Leon Bailey. Yes, a young Jamaican, Leon Bailey. He's awesome. You know what, I never say anything much about this video. You guys just watch it. See the G there. G that, you know. Ball from ball Start fighting. Hey, who see that? What a pass. Watch it now. What a pass. Brilliant. Yo, wait, that look like, yeah, that do that gonna hear over here. That just bounce funny. What's the replay from that? Oh, you touch it. Oh. The reflection of the deflection of the defender. See, you touch it. That's why it come here so weird. Yo, that was struck. Jaja. Come here, boy. You see the ball, man. You see the ball. Don't even panic. I see him goal match again. Right? You the general, no, man. What you doing? Walk over, me. Walk over. Oh, if you guys don't know why I do have it on a shirt, time is really hot now in Jamaica, like really hot. And it's early in the morning. Right now it's 6:33 in the morning and I'm burning up. I would already know if you feel like. What a pass! Brilliant. I'm going good. I'm going really good. Some good assists, man. Some really good assists. Really good assists. Defender by drugs. Defender they're on drugs. The bodies. Watch the defender. What the hell you do a while ago? No, sir. Watch out. Give G the ball, man. Speed. Oh my god. Leon Bailey. Another one. Another one to backside. My God. Oh, what is going on? I joke thing this time. What a man literally heal the man back at the next time. Jana, you that G. Well, nobody would expect that. That's it. So you understand the even score. Nice pass, nice pass, nice pass, nice pass. Live, live, nice pass. Wait, wait. It's a stunner from way out. Cracker, cracker. Yes, sir. Let you. Cool, you. Crack it. As I call a rifle, you. The American well struck. No, defender want a kick in the body. Defender want a kick in the body. Where defender they want to do a while ago. They want to do a while ago. Defender. Hey, defender, well, shake catcher. Defender, what you doing, sir? What you doing? Liam Bailey. What a passing one. You know must go and look at the pass so you can get if you want to see. Good pass at the G. Right in stride. Right in stride. Yo. Right in stride. G. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. That's Liam Bailey, originally from Jamaica. Yeah. You know, have it, man. Have it, man. Let's give it a minute, yeah. So please like, share this video, comment below what you think about this video. And if you want anybody to react to, comment below also. I'm Kevin, so this is KLS. Oh, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Please subscribe right now. Yeah. Also click the bell. The bell is very important. When you click the bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Peace. I'm out. Bye.